Welcome to the SIEM GEN5 1U video series. In this video, we will cover how to remove and reinstall the Tamper Proof label on the system top cover. For servicing the system internal components, the system top cover must be removed. Before removing the top cover, we will need to remove one Tamper Proof label. There's only one Tamper Proof label on the top of the SIEM GEN5 1U appliance. The Tamper Proof label has a screw underneath it, therefore it will need to be removed. And you just peel it off. It comes apart in pieces, that's by design. Once the Tamper Proof label has been removed, you want to ensure that the surface is clean. You will locate your replacement Tamper Proof label. Notate the orientation and place it over the top of the screw, but also touching the front part, the fixed part of the chassis, as well as the rear part of the top cover. And that's how to remove and reinstall a Tamper Proof label for a SIEM GEN5 1U appliance.